With the recent addition of Assembly Bill 2022 added to California Education Code, a school of a school district or county office of education and a charter school shall notify pupils and parents or guardians of pupils no less than twice during the school year on how to initiate access to available pupil mental health services on campus or in the community or both. So essentially, it will be required that not only our students know how to access mental health supports on our campuses, but their parents and guardians know as well. Currently, if our students want to see a counselor, they are expected to use their own time, such as the small time in between their passing periods, lunch, or getting to school early or staying late so that they can visit the counseling office in the front of the school. Once they get to the front of the school, they must decide between one of four clipboards to add their names to a list of other students and then put the clipboard back on the wall for anyone to walk by and see their names. According to our students and teachers, this process is not working. Additionally, the American School Counselor Association states that an effective school counseling program requires accessible school counselors. At Made Up High School, we have the counselors, but according to teachers and students, our current process to schedule time with them is ineffective and, in a way, inaccessible. In order for us to be prepared for a possible increase in student and parent requests to initiate access to available mental health services, we have to ensure we do better in the scheduling process. It is possible that this seems to be a big task, but there is an easy solution. In fact, it is something that we already have available to us.